welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you might have seen from a short I posted, I'm going to investigate with my papa what stores are actually open in a big snowstorm, and I'm excited to see the total. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Bye. So we made it out of the house and we're gonna go downtown on Bayview Street and see if we can find any stores that will be open in a big snowstorm. As you can see, I'm all geared up because it is a pretty big snowstorm. We're expected to get about 11 to 14 inches. So stay tuned. Okay, so that was close. We just got out of the place. You can already see String Theory, music store is closed, and Uncle Willie's candy shop, and the Village Candy and gift shop. So I'm gonna walk farther down Bayview Street and see if we can possibly see stores that are open. And there's one that we know will be open because they're open every day of the year. So more on that later, but let's keep going.
Oh, and look what I see.
What?
I see cars in a parking lot.
Oh wow. What place is that?
The waterfront restaurant is open
Wow.
for business.
So we got our first open store. That's a good sign. We're coming to our next group of stores that should be open. This store doesn't look open. It might be open, no it's not. But it usually is open, so it's our third store. And this store, Symmetry, doesn't look
One of our
very
Camden
open.
favorites, right?
Yeah,
Let's see.
Camden favorites.
Symmetry,
Doesn't look open.
definitely not open.
No.
In fact, we talked to her on Friday and she said she wasn't coming in, right?
No.
Cuzzy's, another restaurant that would be open. Definitely not.
Yeah. Okay, so we got this store. I'm not sure what it's called,
Fat Face Camden.
but clearly she was open. She says, I'll be back in 10 minutes.
All right.
I'm assuming that's recent.
Yep.
So,
All right, so we got another open store.
another open store. Let's keep going.
All right. Let's see here. Nope,
No,
not so much.
doesn't look on. Although there is lights on. No.
Yeah, but those are just for... All right. We got the topography store. They're definitely closed.
Yep.
Yep, closed.
Same sign.
Closed. Camden Jewelry. All right. Now here we go.
This store is...
This store would normally be open at this time,
And now...
but they are not.
Yeah, and now if you would look across the street, the sign says French and Braun. French and Braun, like I was talking about earlier in the video, is a store that is open every single day of the entire year.
Well, every single day, except for...
Every single day except for Christmas. We're looking down Main Street now, and I'm not sure any restaurants or stores are open.
There is one that might be. We're going to head down this way just real quick. Clearly, this one's not. They're hibernating, it says.
Yeah.
The one that I'm wondering about is a wonderful local person who runs that lavender store over there. Nope, even she seems to be closed for today.
Yeah.
Yep, every single store is closed. What do you got to say about that?
Well, it's to be expected. It's a big snowstorm. We're expecting 11 to 14 inches. So the store doesn't day of the year except for French and Braun. It's a little general store. Looks away. And next time you're in Camden, come and visit. So we're getting to the end of our trick here. These stores don't seem to be open, but Walgreens may be open, so we're going to look at that, and then we're going to come home and relax during a snowstorm.
And make some hot chocolate.
Uh-huh. So, Walgreens is open. So, let's go inside. So, we made it back from looking at all the information, and when I go to edit this video, there will probably be a graph of all the information on your screen, so you can find out the information. So fun recording this. Make sure you hit subscribe.
And let us know whether or not you think the number of stores open is what you would have expected.
Okay. Give us a thumbs up and click the bell. Press all.